Hi, good morning, everyone. So, yeah, I just woke up. Well, didn't woke up. I had a meeting before. But yeah, WIF kinda did what we didn't want WIF to do. That's basically it. So, yeah, the shitcoin went lower. We should have sold it when we still could. Because right now we're looking at serious drawdown. It's kind of peculiar because, as you can see, the SPX is still making new highs. I mean, this kind of looks weak, but I do think, yeah, it's still bullish. Meanwhile, the Dixie is also trying to pump, but I do think this is just, yeah, it's bearish. The fun factor here is that Bitcoin actually went lower as well. We swept this low, and we had a perfect touch of the 0618. This could actually be our low that we have been waiting for, and it could potentially force Bitcoin towards the 68k. However, we are still failing to reclaim the trend line, so that would be our first resistance basically. So let's put another box. Oh fuck! I think around here. This is now our resistance. On micro, lower time frame, etc., whatever you like to call it. So yeah, it's quite a situation I preferred not to have. But like I mentioned, trading on Sundays, even in the night, can end in catastrophe. And right now we're down 10% on the account, which is quite a lot. It's the 50% of the entire profit we made. So taking a loss here would be a 11 sessions back in time, basically, if you calculate it in time. What's the game plan today? Well, there isn't any really significant news this week. So I still expect Bitcoin to catch up with the S&P, Nasdaq, basically everything that matters, and stop this fuckaroo to the downside. If it doesn't happen, WIF is likely going lower. We're gonna look at WIF. As you can see, we touched the 1618. So there is some confluence in this area for a basically a reversal back up. Let's get rid of all these fips for now. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, why the fuck is this so annoying? Alright. So what I'm going to do is put a Fibonacci here. Yeah, I think you could say that. What's this, by the way? Let's get rid of it. I think you could say the daily open shows some strong confluence for a retest. Hopefully it's gonna be the 0618 because I think it will be sufficient. I still think we could see 2.5 in the next bullish retest, but on a lower time frame. Let's see. Yeah, we got rejected. So yeah, the next obvious area of resistance would be around the 0618 daily open. Would be very nice if we managed to oh fuck, if we managed to reclaim it. But right now I think we also have some resistance over here. Yeah, as far as downside goes, I think. Yeah, I have to be completely honest. I think if we drop below at least this level, I think we're gonna get a wick further than you kind of want to see it. we might just go towards 1.5 or something before seeing any upside. So right now, yeah, it's a situation I really hoped I would not get myself into. But I think, yeah, right now I do see a level of importance which I think, yeah, we're gonna just retest. Look at the analytics. So open interest is declining, decreasing I mean, and trading volume as well. The only positive of this scenario is that the funding is currently negative, so we're receiving funding for logging. But other than that, yeah, oh man, it's this could give us some complications, to be honest. Ah, okay, now I see. Now I see why. So there's also a golden pocket here. I do not think it's very significant, but still. So usually what happens, this is the 25 session by the way, usually what happens, you get a double tap on the 0618 and then you moon. So I kinda expect it to, fuck. Yeah, I'm still a little bit rusty this morning, to do something like this and then do something like this. So you basically create a launch pad lower by sweeping more liquidity to sweep highs. So I think, yeah, I think that's likely to happen, to just do something like this, where this breaker will see a lot of volume because a lot of people will long here, and it will be sufficient to just bump the price 10%. But we'll see, we'll see. Yeah, I think overall this one 0618, it's really bullish. If we manage to close this, let's see, where did the daily open? Am I just being blind, or okay, it's over. Yeah, I think there's a high probability we're going to go towards the 66.5 because it's the daily around here, and we might get rejected here. But that's, yeah, I think that's great possibility. It's also good to see that Elio is showing massive strength. It's one of the strongest today. And yesterday I pointed out to everyone, like, okay, if you want to go make a lot of money, trade LDO. And it showed itself to be a great candidate. Alright, I'm gonna drink some tea, hydrate my brain, because this is gonna be the worst highlight ever otherwise. So I'll be back in a bit, and hopefully WIF finishes its double bottom and then starts to go up again. And otherwise this will be a very sad stream. Alright guys, peace.